when you walk with the dog and you grab one bottle of water, make little holes into the bottle so the dog can drink it out of it. How cute he is. Good boy, Luke. Good boy. Yeah, it's hot outside, isn't it? Good boy, Luke. But if I was pouring this water out of the bottle, he would be choking and stuff, and it's not good and waste a lot of water. But this way, look, it's perfect. He drinking it slowly, not choking on it, and look, he is done. And still a lot of water left. And if I don't have a water bowl, I'm running around with him. This hack, water bottle hack, is perfect, you see? Awesome. So for this one, I'm gonna make a sprinkler out of the water bottle. Now I'm gonna make bunch of holes in the bottle. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the water. And we got homemade sprinkler. Look how awesome it is. Luke likes it, and it's awesome for kids too to play around, or for your dog. Look at him. So now it's a double sprinkler and a toy for your dog. Look how much fun he has. Look, what are you doing? You taking a shower? Oh boy. Now he's just drinking it. A ton of fun, or your kids too. Look, stop it. What are you doing? Oh boy, now he's excited. Now he's excited for that water. He's like, turn it back on! Turn it! Look, you want some more water? Look at him. Now he wants to play some more with that water. He's like, turn it back on! I wonder. Look, what do you want? You want some more water? Fine, I'm about to turn it back on. For this life hack, really fun life hack, I got here 12-hour glow red 6 inches glow sticks and a glow for safety. Really awesome glow stick, high quality, that's what you want to use. We're gonna open that up and pull it out right here. You see it's red. Now we're gonna break it, shake it up, we're gonna drop it inside of a Gatorade bottle, and then we're gonna go somewhere in the dark, and let's check this out. Now check out how awesome it is glowing in the dark. Because of the water refraction, it's actually a lot brighter. So we're pretty much hacking a glow stick into much brighter glow stick because of a water bottle and the water. Every time I try to wash my hands, I have to go put my hand sideways because this wall over here, you know, and it's like I gotta wet my hand like that, and it's really uncomfortable, you know. Or if you see what I'm saying? I hate that. To fix that, all we need is a plastic bottle. I'm gonna cut it here and here. We're gonna have to make it a bit more wider than it is right here. And then we're gonna go like that. Inside, out, and cut this part off. So now it's gonna look like this. You see it? Cut it off over here and hole over here. And let's see how we're gonna install it to fix our short sink. But this is how I fix it. You just put it over here, turn it on, so once you washing your hand, you don't have to worry about this wall and the water coming off right in the middle of your sink, and none of that stupid over here side. What is the point of having sink so big if all you have is over here water? So this is how small and easy hack. You're gonna use this macaroni or fettuccine or any kind of that longer ones. You're not gonna cook the whole pack if you live by yourself or with couple people. You're gonna use half of it, and let's say you're gonna only cook the half, and the other half will just stay open, but you know, it might go stale. You don't wanna just keep it open the whole time. Well, what we're gonna do is grab 2 empty plastic bottles, wash them out real good, and we're gonna grab scissors and just cut the top of the bottle just like that. And then we're gonna do same thing with the other bottle. Don't throw this away, we're gonna need it. Then what we're gonna do is put them inside of a bottle just like that, and put this stuff over it just like that, and you wanna put it inside like this, and it's gonna stay sealed and pretty cool package just like this. So next time you're gonna grab a box and forget that it's been opened, it's just gonna fall out everywhere, you can just take this one up, drop it, and guess what? None of them are gonna fall out. Perfect, right? For this life hack, I'm gonna make a scoop out of the juice bottle. Now I'm gonna cut it this way and cut off this head too, like that. And check this out, now we got a mini scooper. You can use it for many things, to sweep up garbage, to grab flour and mix it to something. Super cool. What do you guys think? Pretty amazing, huh? For this one, how do we seal the bag back up and it's not even a Ziploc bag? We're gonna bring this back from the other life hack, recycle life hack, and we're gonna cut it this way. What we need is cut out the head of the bottle, just like that. Then we're gonna unscrew it, and then what we're gonna do is grab the bag and twist it up like this, and put it through all the way in. Then we're gonna untwist it and then put it inside out like that over the cap of the bottle, and grab the cap and screw it on top of the bag, and it's gonna work like a Ziploc bag. And guess what? Now it's sealed and your sugar is gonna stay nice and fresh and not gonna get crumbled up. Or whenever you're gonna take it out, you're not gonna spill it everywhere by mistake, because maybe you forgot it was. So here I'm gonna show you how to cut a spoon out of a plastic bottle. Just like that. Now I'm gonna finish cutting like this. And now I'm just gonna cut off this part right here. Boom. And now we got little spoon just like that. Now we got a spoon just like that, really nice. To get the sharp edges go away, just grab it like that with the lighter and make it a little bit like melted down, so the sharp edges will go away. So now I got out my spoon and the soup, and look, works really well. So if I'm camping out and I need a spoon but I forgot one, I can just cut it out from my Coca-Cola bottle and ready to go eat my soup. And then I'm gonna grab scissors and I'm just gonna go around, but not, I don't want to cut it all the way. Just when you're gonna meet the other side, just leave like an inch or so. So this is what it's gonna look like. You see the inch is still attached. So now what you're gonna do is, now straight go up. Just like that. and this side as well. Just parallel the other line and just cut it up and stop on the same line right here, so it's similar. So you're gonna end up with one of these. Pretty simple, makes sense, right? Now I'm gonna cut it straight around again and again. You don't wanna just cut it off completely, you just wanna match that part line right here. You can make it straighter later. So you're gonna end up with a piece like that. You see these two big pieces right here and one line attaches each other. Now we wanna cut this piece off, so leave about an inch here. You see we don't need the top one right here, so we're gonna end up with a piece like that. You see this is a circle and this is gonna be our cup. You can all fix up all these lines, make them smooth. Now what you wanna do is flip this one over and put it inside of this cup right here. Kinda snug it in there. It's gonna be tight, but that's what we want anyways. Maybe flip it over and heat it a couple times. Just snug it in. So, and now you end up with a cool cup like that with the handle. So now you can pour tea in there and drink tea over here.
And they turn it into a slide-free hanger. How?
Easy, look at this.
Hot glue gun.
A noodle funnel, that's what I'm gonna call it. And that way it's really easy and